Hello everybody, this is Chris. I'm going to do a brief demonstration of Cytoscape. So you can see on Cytoscape you have this organism network down here. This actually contains all the interactomes for a lot of organisms. We're not going to deal with that though. We also have where we can build an empty network or load a file from our computer. I have neither of those, so we're just going to go to the network database. So by default you're set to Interaction Database Universal Client, and that's what we're going to search for our databases. And you can see down here there are lots of databases available on this data source. So for example, let's say we wanted to look at the interactions between CREB and BDNF. So we're going to search CREB first, and you can see it found lots of different databases with information. It tells you how many records and what kind of data it has. Most of these are protein-protein interactions. So we're going to go ahead and take from the Spike database, and we're going to import that to our Cytoscape. So now you can see it's going to ask us if we want to merge. We'll do that later. You can see this is the network. You have the proteins or genes of interest here connected by these lines, which are called edges. And you can actually organize this in different ways. We're going to apply our preferred layout because that actually puts our main gene or protein, CREB1, here in the middle. And it's just nice to look at. You could do all kinds of things. Click on them. You can see their information down here with their names, taxonomy, etc. But what we're going to do next is we're going to import now a BDNF network because we said we wanted to look at the interaction between CREB and BDNF. So now we're going to search BDNF. And we're going to go ahead and take from the string database since it has the most records at 609. So we're going to import that. And now you can see, again, we're not going to merge. You can see we now have this network as well. Let's organize that one. You can see this one has lots of different information. We're mostly going to be focusing on this blue information here. So you can see, again, BDNF is in the middle. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to use that merge feature you saw earlier. So we're going to go to Tools, Merge, Merge Networks. What this does is it actually combines networks into one. So Union takes the data from both of them and combines into one. Intersection only combines what they have the same. Difference only combines what they have different. So we're going to just combine all the data together. So we click and add them to this side and then click Merge. And now we have this new network that has all of the data, and we're going to click Apply Preferred Layout again. So you can see down here we have BDNF. Let me close in so you can see it. It's right there. And then we have CREB up here. And you can see right here in the middle we have actually these factors that connect the two networks, so CREB B3L3 and RPS6K5. So if we were interested in the interaction between these two networks, we might look into the activity of these. So you can see this is a pretty useful software for taking network from databases, combining them, and looking at the interactions between them. You could also make your own database or your own networks to upload as well. So it's openware or freeware and an open source database. So that's it for now. Thanks.